In this video, we're going to check out what I'm calling a little pocket medical kit. So we'll run that intro and get right into it. So before we get into it, let me just start off by saying this is just a small little kit. Say you're running to the store or something like that. You just want a little bit of something just in case something minor might happen. That's what this kit is for. Maybe you have your main kit in your backpack and you're just going away from camp or whatever for a brief moment. You can grab this, put it in your back pocket. And this is what that kit's for. And you can supplement it with a tourniquet if you wish as well. Alright, so obviously we're going to use a little Maxpedition pouch. They make high quality stuff. I recommend everybody try it out, at least one Maxpedition pouch for all your different kits. I have larger kits. My main medical kit is in a Maxpedition pack. I've made fire kits and everything else. Actually, I have another one here that I use for recharging. See, I got a little power pack and stuff in there. So these Maxpedition cases are really good. They're high quality and they're very durable. Alright, so there she is all opened up. Look, there's not much in here. This is not some big life-saving kit. It's just a small little thing that you can put together for quick trips, like I said earlier. So we got some gauze pad on this side, chapstick, a pair of tweezers. I have some ibuprofen in this little container. Here I have this SOG multi-tool. That's a pair of scissors. I'm trying to use these left-handed and it's hard. Then we have some antibiotic ointment, some Q-tips to apply ointment, a pair of nail clippers. There's a tool called a splinter out. It's like a sharp little point. You can use it for many things. And in here we have some steri strips, which these are like stitches without having to drive a needle into your skin or something like that. So like I said, it's nothing major or really life-saving, but it's a bumps and bruises kind of thing. You get a little cut, you don't want to get it infected. Oh yeah, there's large band-aids under here too. Waterproof large bandages. I don't waste the time with the small ones. And yeah, generally speaking, you want the name brand Band-Aid bandages. They're just a lot better. They became a household name for a reason. Alright, so really that's pretty much it. It's just a small little portable kit that you can take anywhere when you can't take a full backpack or full medical kit with you. Supplement it with this and you'll be good to go. But that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. If you want to see more survival content like this, just let me know and I'll make it happen. Appreciate you.